When I say we must read more, we must teach more, I need y'all to be like, we must learn, we must learn, we must stand strong, we must push on. We must learn, we must fight back, we must seek facts. We must learn, we must stand strong, we must push on. We must learn. But they knives in our back, and they taking our cream. When dreams turn to nightmares, despair and pain from all the streaming bull that they pump in our brain. See, I claim to be a leader, but this is my chance to make you stand for much more than just waving your hands. I got your back, brother, but do you got mine? Cause to win, we need each other, that's the perfect design. Blind to the fact that we losing the game, where they cheaper punish us if we do it the same. But my sight is long range, I see through these fake, and past them is real people and the difference they make. Like shovels and rakes, we move pounds of green. But if you scope my neighborhood, all that wealth suck team. We losing big, we need to battle for sure. But to win, we need 1,000,000 3-pointers or more. Score. We must teach more.
We must learn, we must learn.
We must stand strong, we must push on.
We must learn, we must learn.
We must fight back, we must seek facts.
We must learn, we must learn.
We must stand strong, we must push on.
We must learn.
Learn. Do we got any educators in the crowd? Any teachers, any professors? Anybody that's just real smart? That's what's up. This next verse is for y'all. There's a war going on, this ain't only a song. It's a battle cry to people who have been done wrong. Like a school teaching more than 30 kids all day, just to open up a check and see minimum pay. In a school that's run down, it was 60s built. All the books is missing pages and the school desk tilt. Out the window is a boy, but he been dropped out. See him daily on the grind like he been pimped out. Real problem back home, see his mom is a mess. She takes a hit before breakfast to handle the stress of life with 2 jobs and minimum rest. When she's forced to leave her kids in the house unkept, and what's left is a daughter who be roaming the streets, trying to find a father figure in every thug she meets. And this leads to loose sex and a child on the way who will live the same cycle, start counting the days. We must read more, we must teach more.
We must learn, we must learn.
We must stand strong, we must push on.
We must learn, we must learn.
We must fight back, we must seek facts.
We must learn, we must learn.
We must stand strong, we must push on.
We must learn.
Learn. Here's a list of things to do. We gotta vote and take a look at politicians and the answers, cause we dealing with crooks. Second on the list, we gotta make them work for us. That means learn about the game so we no longer have to trust. Third thing is our children, we must groom them to lead, so the future generations won't inherit disease. You can't be a yes man and a rebel allegiance. You gotta question everything until they give you a reason. It's grassroots really. Spend your cash at home. Other neighborhoods thrive when you buy in their zone. Address your local leaders, hit them with your concerns, and follow up as many times as it takes them to learn that you living in the battlefield surrounded with hurt. But with the power and our numbers, we will rise from this dirt.